Sikkim is second small state in northeastern India. In the northeast border is the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and the West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also close to India's Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and the third highest on earth near Sikkim. Sikkim's capital and largest city is Gangtok. Almost 35% of the state is covered by the Kanchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sikkim was added to Indian Union 16 May 1975. Its capital is Gangtok. Sikkim has 4 districts. Sikkim legislature has 32 seats. Parliamentary constituency has 1 Rajya Sabha seat and 1 Lok Sabha seat. It has its own Sikkim High Court. It has total area of 7,096 square kilometer. Total population as on 12,011 census is to 6,10,577. Languages used are English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Lepcha. It has a literacy of 82.6%. It is the 22nd state of India. Sikkim is divided into 4 districts: South Sikkim, North Sikkim, East Sikkim and West Sikkim. The South district has lower altitude and Namachi is the district capital. The Samdrup Monastery and Chamdam have brought Namachi into the tourism landscape. The other important destination here is Ravangla. In the East District is located Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. West District offers destinations such as Pelling and Ikosam, as well as beautiful treks such as the one Songri. The North District border China offers excellent high altitude destinations such as Yumthang Valley and Gurudong Mar. Earlier permission is required to cross the China border Nathula Pass. To enjoy snow hills, you have to make a trip for the North Sikkim District 0 point. In October 2018, Pakyong Airport started operations. It is 30 km away from Gangtok. The airport is capable of operating 80 aircrafts. Before it, Bagdogra Airport near Siliguri in northwestern Bengal. National Highway NH10, formerly NH31A, links Siliguri to Gangtok. Sikkim nationalized transport run buses and track services. Sikkim lacks significant railway infrastructure. The closest major railway stations are Siliguri Junction and New Jaipalguri in neighboring West Bengal. Noodle-based dishes such as tupka, chow mein, tentak, faktu, gyatu, and wonton are common in Sikkim. Momos steamed with soup, steamed dumplings filled with vegetables, beef or pork and served with soup are a popular snack. Beer, whiskey, rum and brandy are widely consumed in Sikkim. The Manipal University of Technological Sciences, which offers higher education, engineering, medicine and management. Tourist important places to visit in Sikkim. Yaksom town is located in the western part of Sikkim. It is the origin of several treks in the Himalayas or the magical Kanchenjunga. It is famous for its pristine beauty and rustic appeal. Dubdi Monastery in Yakosam is the first Buddhist monastery in Sikkim, established in 1701 by the Cheagar Namgyal. It is an extremely charming historical town. It is a perfect gateway to Mount Kanchendongsa. In the town, you can visit historical monuments, ancient monasteries, tranquil waterfalls, etc. Dosmogo Lake or Changu Lake is located only 30 km from Gangtok. It lies at an altitude of 12,400 feet and is one of the highest lakes in India. You will need a special area permit to visit the lake, which can be obtained from the Sikkim Tourism Department at MG Marg, Gangtok. You will need your photo, identity proof and 2 passport size photos to get the permit. Nadula Pass is one of the highest motorable pass in the world. The amazing pass is located at a towering height of 4,000 310 above the sea level and connects Sikkim with Tibet. The Nadula Pass is open to Indians. You have to obtain permission from the tourism department in order to visit this pass. The foreigners cannot visit Nadula Pass. The pass remains closed on Monday, Tuesday and Friday. During winter season, due to snowfall, the temperature drops down low as minus 25 degrees centigrade. Pelling town is located at a height of 7,200 feet above the sea. This scenic town is bestowed with several waterfalls, breathtaking views, natural beauty, and adventure options like rafting, kayaking, trekking, mountain biking, and several others. The climate in Pelling is moderate throughout the year. It lies in the foothills of the Himalayas and the Kanchenjunga mountain ranges, which helps you get a closer and much clearer view of these mountains. Lachang is at an height of 8,610 feet, makes it a popular snow destination in Sikkim. Its untouched and surreal beauty makes it one of the scenic as well as beautiful tourist place in Sikkim. It is located in the northern part of Sikkim. Ravangla is a scenic town between Gangtok and Pelling. The hill town also hosts some of the most popular treks in Sikkim. Ravangla is famous for its temples, monasteries, tea gardens, exotic flora and fauna, sightseeing spots, ethnic cultures, snowy mountains, showing waterfalls and adventure sports. One of Sikkim's most beautiful sites is Avangla's gigantic golden Buddha. Ramtak Monastery is also one of the oldest monasteries in the state. This monastery is located near Gangtok and is also known as the Dharmachakra Center. Golden stupa at the monastery, mystical ancient relics and down the hill river. Then the Namachi town in between in Tibetan language means top of the sky. This Namachi magnificent Sikkimese city is located around 92 km from Gangtok and a height of 1,675 meters above sea level. It is a pilgrimage center for the Buddhist. The city also has a 108 feet Lord Shiva statue and is visited a large number of Hindu devotees as well. Namachi is the capital of South Sikkim district. Namachi is home to 118 feet tall world's biggest statue of the Buddha. Padmasma Bhava, holy saint of Sikkim. Every year in the month of October, Namachi hosts the popular Namachi Mahotsav, a tourism, culture and food festival. In addition, it also hosts a flower festival displaying the beautiful blooms. Dodril Chortan Stupa is located very near to the Namgyal Institute of Tibetology and Gangtok Center. Chortan was built in the year 1945 by Trulishi Rinpoche, head of the Nyagma order of Tibetan Buddhism. It is considered as one of the finest monasteries in Gangtok. It has a total of 108 prayer wheels which have mantras inscribed on them in Tibetan. Jawaharlal Nehru Botanical Garden, located within a close proximity with the Rumtak Monastery. This lush and verdant botanical garden is the home to several rare and exotic species of plants and trees. It has dense temperature forest of oak and a beautiful lake. Suluk village. It is situated at a height of 10,000 feet, located on the ancient Silk routes. This quaint Sikkimese village takes the pride of being a vintage point to enjoy panoramic views of the Mount Kanchenjunga. There are 32 hairpin bends to reach here. Namgyal Institute of Tibetology is an ideal center to learn about Buddhist culture, and traditions. It is established in 1958. It is one of the largest repositories of Tibetan works located outside the Tibet region. There is also a library which boasts unique Buddhist tombs, some of which are 100 years old. Yumthang Valley is truly a colorful affair. It is located at an elevation of 3,500 meters. The scientific value is the home to several exotic, rare and wild flowers. The valley usually remains closed from December to March due to heavy snowfall. You will need a special area permit to visit the Yumthang Valley. Guru Dongmar is one of the highest freshwater lake in the world. It is at a height of 17,800 feet. It is considered as a sacred lake. The oxygen level is very low, which can cause severe breathing and other health issues. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a doctor before you visit the places and carry sufficient medicines.